How to properly measure blinds on plastic window. First we prepare a schematic drawing of both window sashes and record measurements in it. We measure with a steel measuring tape. If you don't have a measuring tape, you can use a ruler. The width is measured from one glazing bead to another glazing bead, including glazing beads. The width is 57 centimeters 7 millimeters, and we write down the width. Then we measure the width of the blinds for the second sash in the same way, from one glazing bead to another glazing bead, including glazing beads. The width is 47 centimeters 5 millimeters. Write down. The height is measured in the same way, from one glazing bead to another glazing bead, including glazing beads. We measure and we record the height. It is 121 centimeters 3 millimeters. And to this height we add 3 centimeters for attaching the brackets and the cornice to the window frame. So add 3 centimeters, and the total is 124 centimeters 3 millimeters. And we measure the height for the second sash, including the upper and lower glazing beads. The height is 111 centimeters 6 millimeters, and we also add 3 centimeters as I said before. And the total is 114 centimeters 6 millimeters. Next, you need to decide on which side the cane should be to control the blinds, as it will be convenient for you. In general, it is more convenient to have the control on the side opposite to the window handle. Everything is ready, and with these parameters you can buy blinds in the shop or order production. If blinds don't fit your size, there is a solution. In our videos you can watch how to shorten the blinds. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, click like, see you soon.